The Namibia Fish Consumption Promotion Trust donated 54 trays of canned fish to the Promisland Trust in Walvis Bay on the 20th of July 2026 as part of its ongoing commitment to supporting the well-being of Namibia's children. This contribution reflects the Trust's dedication to improving access to nutritious fish products, helping ensure that vulnerable children receive the essential nutrients needed for healthy growth and development. Established in 2009, the Promisland Trust is a non-profit organization committed to supporting vulnerable children through care, nutrition, education, and community development programs. Receiving the donation, Ms. Jenny Esterhuizen, project coordinator responsible for the day-to-day operations of the Promisland Center, expressed her sincere appreciation to the Trust. She noted that the donation will make a meaningful contribution to the center's nutrition program by providing children with a healthy, protein-rich food source that supports their growth, well-being, and overall development.
Thanks a lot to NFCPT for the 52 trays of fish that we received today. We did a quick calculation to determine how many meals this will provide, and we came up with 8,666 meals that will be served through our soup kitchen daily after school. It is a massive impact, it is extremely nutritious, and we're going to have a lot of fun and a lot of blessings with this donation.